Hey y'all, it's Carly, and in this video, I'm gonna be getting productive. So it is currently 1:30 and I've just been sitting in my bed all day doing schoolwork, and I figured I have to get a lot of stuff done for school and my work, so I'm gonna bring y'all along to get a little productive with me. Okay, so this is my outfit for today. This yellow shirt is from Hollister. These jeans and this belt are from Garage, and then I just have Vans socks, and I'm probably gonna throw on some Vans too. Time to take a shower. So these are my fish. This is Jolly and this is Rancher, Jolly Rancher, my favorite candy, and they are Tetras. I don't know. Oh, there's Jolly swimming around. He's definitely more active than this one. So sorry about the glare on my glasses. I literally can't see without my glasses unless I'm wearing my contacts, and I do not feel like putting them in. So sorry about the glare, but I am currently working as a social media marketer for a home inspection company called Almost Home Inspections. And as the social media marketer, I basically promote the company using all types of different social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram. And in order to do that, I definitely go through a lot of planning, so I always know what I'm going to be posting, and I have it all planned out for the month. This is my March plan, and now that we're submerged in April, I'm going to make my April calendar. While I am working on my April calendar, I am going to eat these Cracker Barrel bites. They're pretzels and cheese. I've never had this kind before, so I'm hoping it'll be a good little snack. Alrighty, so this is my finished calendar page. I've got all of the Instagram and YouTube and Facebook posts all planned out, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Okay, so now that I'm finished with all of my work things, I'm going to jump into my schoolwork. I have to write an essay for my language arts class, and I have to do a quick little math quiz, which I'm not looking forward to because I already know I don't know the answers to it. But I'm gonna get it done and out of the way, and then I'm gonna move on to the next task of the day. Okay, so I officially finished all of my schoolwork and my work for work, but that took a lot longer than I expected. I actually sat here for 2 hours writing essays, doing math quizzes, and doing work, so that was a lot. And now I'm gonna jump into some other things. Oh, there's dogs, because I open my window so you can hear them. But it is 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna make dinner, and let's just go down there and see what we got cooking in the kitchen. Here I have my bag of lettuce. I'm gonna make a salad. It's mixed lettuce. It's got carrots in there. It's really fresh. It's really good. On my plate there, I also have pretzel bites, and they're really good. I just pop them in the microwave. And then on here, I'm putting string beans or green beans. They're so good. I could literally eat them all day long, so I just put them on my salad. Now I'm getting my tortilla chips, or like little things you put on the salad, and they're really good. They're basically just chips for croutons. And then I'm putting, of course, Parmesan cheese on there because everything should have cheese on it. And then I'm just putting some mustard on my plate for my pretzel bites. And to finish my productive day, I am going to edit this video. Then I'm probably going to do my night routine, go to bed, get up, get ready for school. And I'm gonna be not worried about anything because I finished everything today and I was really productive. And I hope you enjoyed my video. All my social medias are linked in the description below, so check them out. And I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!